This is a remake to Miss Polly and the Dolly FBI open up version. Enjoy! Oh my. FBI, open up!
Have you ever been at one of those parties where you just wanted to...
FBI, open up! Oh my god. Alright. FBI, open up! Let's try that again. Oh, yours.
So she called the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with her.
FBI, open up! Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.